Okay, William Peace class. We're going to talk a little bit about a process on how to handle angry customers. And it's really an 8-step process. And this came from when I was teaching marketing at Barton College a few years back. I had a older student in her 40s who went into Target and had a bad experience with the cashier and the manager. She was in a hurry. She was going to a wedding and was in the morning, and the line was long, and the cashier was talking to another cashier and slowing down the line. So my student made a gesture. She just went like this, "Come on, let's go." And the cashier looked over and said, "Okay, whatever," and called her the B word. So as you can imagine, my student was very upset. So she went to talk to the manager, and she said he had no idea how to handle me. She was really angry, probably a lot more than she explained in class. But she said he didn't know how to handle an angry customer. And if you're in customer service and you don't know how to handle angry customers, you're going to be in that job long. You can't be a manager and have your employees not trained how to handle an angry customer. So here are the steps that are vital for you to know to handle angry customers. Number one, acknowledge the problem. So if I'm the store manager and let's say Sally comes up about the situation with the cashier, the first thing I need to do is acknowledge there was a problem. "Ma'am, I hear you had a problem with one of our cashiers. My name's Jeff Myers. I'm the Target manager. Again, I heard you had a problem." The second thing you do is apologize. "So, ma'am, I'm really sorry that you had a bad experience at our store," and I really am. The third is to ask what happened. You need to ask what happened so that the customer has a chance to vent. So the third step is ask. So we have acknowledge, we have apologize, and then ask. Okay, the 3 A's. The fourth step is the hardest. It's listen. You as the manager, you as the customer service agent have to listen to the customer who is angry, vent. It may take 10 seconds, it may take 30 seconds, it may take 5 minutes, it may take 10 minutes. You don't say a word. You don't say, you don't say, "I'm going to solve it." You just listen. The more you listen, the easier it's going to be. Okay? So we have acknowledge, we have apologize, we have ask, and then we have listen. The fifth step is we apologize. And we mean it. Because the customer who's angry has given you a chance to solve the problem, so that he or she doesn't leave the store and talk bad about you forever. And they were the ones who came in to tell you about a problem that you can solve with that cashier. So they're kind of like doing you a big favor. So you should really, really mean when you're sorry that you're sorry. Don't fake it. So after you apologize for the second time, you take action. So giving a free gift certificate, discounting their purchases, people always like that, but really telling them what you're going to do. And in this case, asking them for their cell phone number so you can follow up with them would be key. "Miss Customer, I know you're angry. We're going to talk to the cashier very soon, and I can't apologize. We're going to fire her, but we need to figure out what's going on and let her know that this is unacceptable. Can I call you next week and let you know what happened?" So now we have an opportunity to take action. Then the 7th step is we apologize again. That's the 3rd time that we say we're sorry and we mean it. Now, the last step, and the most crucial step in my opinion, is to follow up a day or two later on that phone call and let them know that you've talked to the person and here's what happened. So if you do these 8 steps, you're going to solve 100% of customers who are angry, and they're going to like you so much and appreciate you so much, they're going to be an advocate for your store. And losing an angry customer and letting them go in today's world with competition and the internet and bad word of mouth, if you own a business, you're going to be destroyed. So you got to make sure that you're able to handle angry customers.